nice to see you here. If this is your first time in my channel, my name is Joana and welcome to the weirdo side of YouTube. And if you like tea and silly cups, welcome to the family. Today we're going to talk about my hair and how I did this hair. If you saw my past videos on YouTube or if you follow me on Instagram, you're probably aware that I'm a bit addicted to fake hair at this point. I'm really torn about my hair constantly, about the color, about the cut. I want to constantly change, especially the color, and it's not good for my hair. I don't want to keep damaging it, and one of the best options is just to wear fake hair, either wigs or something like this, which I'm going to show you how to do. A couple of months ago I did a review for some hair locks from Hair from Hell, which are basically two pieces of hair very similar to the ones that I'm wearing right now. I've been wearing them constantly because they are so easy to style, so easy to put on, to take out. I can wear them whenever I want. So fake hair pieces like these are pretty handy when you want to have that big voluminous hair, but at the same time you don't want to commit to that every day and you don't want to tease it every day. This is an amazing option, and again, I've been wearing pretty much every day except when I'm at work. And I love them and I wanted to get more, but then I just thought, why not try making some myself? And that's what this video is about. I did this myself and I wanted to show you how I did it because I'm really pleased with them. They're not as perfect as the Warlocks from Hair from Hell, far from it, okay? They're not as voluminous either, but they're pretty cute. I really like them. I miss black hair so much, but I don't want to go black because I know for sure that I will want to bleach it again. So this is the best option for me to have black hair. I also own wigs, but I think these are way more comfy and puffier, and again, you can style this much more easier than you would style a wig. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna show you what I needed for this. So basically you need the hair, which is canicolon hair. How the heck do you spell it? I'm sorry, I really have no clue how to pronounce it. Canicolon hair? Canicolon? Canicolon? I have no clue. I'm just gonna spell it here because I've never heard it being pronounced. So this type of hair, which is basically acrylic hair. I believe it's usually really affordable. I got two pieces of hair for 250 euros. On a store nearby my house. I was lucky enough to have someone selling it really nearby me, so I didn't have to order it online, but you can search on eBay or AliExpress. I'm sure there will be a bunch of them and really affordable. I've checked it. It's more or less 5 euros or below. It really depends on the amount of hair that you want to order. You also gonna need some elastic, glue gun, and a pair of scissors, and that's basically it. And a lot of patience, of course, because this did take a little bit longer than I was expecting, but I think it was totally worth it. I spent 5 euros for this, and I think it looks pretty cute, pretty awesome. So after you have all your items, you're just gonna cut a piece of the elastic how long you want it to be, so you can then tie it around your real hair, and you're gonna wrap around pieces of the fake hair and glue them with glue gun. I'm gonna put some images here, so I think it's a little bit better to show you than to explain. I tried a couple different ways to do this, and actually the best way, I didn't record it because I thought I had enough footage already. The first time I just tried it with a knot. I wrapped the hair around the elastic, then I gave it one knot, glued the knot with a glue gun, and then brushed it out basically. It wasn't that good of an option because it was leaving too many gaps between the hair pieces. Also, my hair strands were too thin, and that was not a good idea. I thought it would make it a little bit more natural if I did it very thin strands of hair each time, but it didn't. This hair is really hard to work with because it can tangle so quickly when you're working with it with a glue gun, taking pieces, and the smaller or the thinner the strands are, the bigger are the chances of it getting tangled. And once it gets tangled, there's really not that much you can do. You just have to basically throw it away because the knots are very very hard to brush out, and the hair just breaks and it's just hair that you're wasting. For my second try, instead of doing a knot, I just twisted strands of hair near the elastic and then glued the twisted part. That worked better, but it was still not the best option because the glue didn't dry fast enough for the twisted part to be stuck together. So the best option for you is to do a little braid. On the part that you would twist or give it a knot, just do a tiny little braid and then you glue the braid, and that's the best way. And that way you can also have a thicker strand of hair and just braid a little part on top and then just do a bunch of braids for the next strands. I'm really sorry, but my explanation was a bit confusing. I really hope the footage helps. After all that is done and the glue is dried, you just brush out your hairpiece and you cut the ends to make it a little bit more even and just to, you know, cut it to the length that you want it. So basically that's it. The glue part obviously is not gonna look that pretty. Mine looks like a mess, to be honest, but you're not gonna really see that part. If you want to check out how I style my hair with these kinds of hair pieces, you can check my Warlock video. I have a bunch of hairdos there. But basically when you're tying the fake hair around your real hair, the part with the glue will be beneath this, so you can't really see it because I have it wrapped around, but you're not gonna see it if you style it properly, because the part that you're gonna see is the good part, the elastic, and the glue ugly part is gonna be beneath all that, so you can really see it. This kind of acrylic hair comes in a bunch of colors, so this is a great opportunity for you to change hair colors like this every day. And you also have like ombre kind of effects. You can mix and match. You can put a bunch of colors in the same hairpiece if you want. You can make a rainbow hairpiece, and that's it. I really hope this was helpful. If you like these types of DIY videos, please let me know on the comments down below. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Drink your tea and be happy. Bye bye. Connect long well. Connect on here. Connect on. Connect on.